In this video, I am going to create a repository on GitHub and then push the code to that repository. I highly suggest that you do the same and also periodically push your code to GitHub. I suggest to do that after every lesson or after every section, just to make sure that you're saving your work. So I'm going to create a new repository here. I'll call it Markdown app, and I'm going to make this public, and then I'll create this repository, and then I'm going to scroll down here and then copy these lines here, and I'm going to go back to my terminal and I'll run that command. And if I go back to the browser and refresh this page, I should see the code here.